Hello dear students, welcome back to another English class. So today we will be discussing a new chapter, Monday morning. So this is a very interesting story. This is a story of a little boy who is unable to understand why everybody hated Monday, why every elderly people or elderly member of his family, they hated Monday, and he wanted to seek the answer, and on the process how he gets scolded or how he get retaliated, we will understand. So Monday morning, do you love Monday morning? Of course I don't think so. We love Sunday, we love Saturday evening, but when it comes to Monday morning we feel not that great, because we have to get to our daily work. If you are since you are student, you have to get back to school after a day of holiday, and if there is any working person or those who go to office or schools or their workplace, so they feel a bit bored, because they have to resume their work after a break. So it is not that easy. We often feel very much uncomfortable to get back to our work after a day of break. So let's start the chapter. Wake up, Pinky, you will be late for school, Mummy called out to Pinky from the kitchen. Pinky opened her eyes. Oh no, it's Monday again. I wish today was Sunday, Pinky yawned. So it's Monday morning and everybody was in a hurry. So everybody was getting ready to go to their job, and the mother was ready, or she was in a hurry for preparing the food for the members of her family. So mother Pinky was asleep. So mother called Pinky. She woke up Pinky, and she was calling out Pinky to get up and get ready, because she is already getting late for school. So when she called out Pinky, she was feeling so much bored to wake up, because she had enjoyed her Sunday. Today it's Monday and she had to go back to school. So she woke up and she yawned. Yawn means what? To open your mouth when you feel asleep or when you feel bored. So Pinky was not feeling that great, and she was exclaiming, or she was expressing her boredom by saying, oh no, it's Monday again. She has already enjoyed her Sunday, now it's time to get back to school. But yesterday was also Sunday. Didi, can we have 2 Sundays in a week? Asked her 3 years old brother Nitin innocently. Now Pinky wished that it was Sunday again. But when his younger brother Nitin, he when he heard that his sister wished it to be Sunday again, he was a bit confused, because we have only one Sunday in 1 week. So he said to his sister, Didi, was it not Sunday yesterday? Why are you asking for one more Sunday? We cannot have two Sundays in 1 week. Pinky looked at him, and he was asking it very innocently. Nitin was asking it innocently. Pinky looked at him in anger. He was already dressed up, all ready for school. He had just joined school and was very excited about his new dress, books and bag. Now Nitin was very much excited to go to school, because it was his first time going to school, and he had his new uniform, bags and books, and he was very much excited for his first day of school. But on the other hand, if you look at his his sister Pinky, she was not excited at all. Nuts, that's what you are. How can you be so happy on Monday morning? Pinky quipped. Nuts, N-U-T-S, nuts means here, nuts is a word used to say foolish, right? When you want to say somebody fool, so you use a word nuts informally. So fool, why? How can you love Monday morning so much? How can you be happy on Monday morning? Because after a day of break, we have to resume our work again on Monday morning. So nobody can be happy on Monday morning. Pinky quit. Pinky said, why? What's wrong with Monday morning? Nitin trailed after her as Pinky picked up a towel and headed to the bathroom. Now he was confused that why one cannot be happy on Monday morning. If somebody can be happy on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then why can't anybody be happy on Monday morning? So he was puzzled. So while he was thinking about his sister, she grabbed the towel and she went to bathroom to have a shower and get ready for school. Oh, never mind. Pinky closed the door, leaving puzzled Nitin behind. Now Pinky, she was in a hurry, so she did not feel it, necessary to answer Nitin question that why somebody cannot be happy on Monday morning. So he left Nitin wondering, thinking about why people don't like Monday morning, and she left for her bath. Nitin decided to ask for his grandfather. Now this question was unanswered. Why people don't like Monday? To Nitin it was unanswered. So after his sister left for shower, he decided to ask his grandfather. Dadaji, tell me what is special about Monday morning. Nitin tried to shake his grandfather, who was busy planning his move in the game of chess. Now he decided to go and ask to the eldest member of his family, that is his grandfather. So he went there, and his grandfather was playing chess. He was very much busy, or very much involved, deeply lost in thought for his next move in chess. So for playing chess you have to pay very much attention, and you have to be very much attentive towards the game. So while his grandfather was lost in the match of chess, so he went and he started to shake his grandfather. Dadaji, why everybody does not like Monday morning? So his grandfather was busy, so he was not paying quite good attention at Nitin. Grandfather gave an absent-minded nod to Nitin. So since his grandfather was very much busy with chess match, so he just nodded his head. Means what? He just moved his head without giving any proper answer to Nitin. What are you saying, Dadaji? Nitin quipped again. Then Dadaji was, means what? Grandfather was a bit irritated. He said, "What are you saying, man? Don't you see I am playing the game?" Nitin was quipped again. He was left again without an answer. Now, not now, Nitin. You go to school now. We'll talk about later. Dadaji patted Nitin's head and got engrossed in his game. So his grandfather was very much into the game, very much lost in the game. So he said, "Nitin, you better go to school now. So when you will return from school, we will talk about this." So he gently patted on the back, means what? Gently patted means what? When we pat somebody like this, or when we move our hand over somebody's back, which is called patting. So he gently patted on Nitin's back and said, "You boy, go to school now. When you will be back from school, I will talk about it." But Nitin was not one to give up so easily. This time Nitin decided to check with his mother, who was always so gentle with him. She was busy preparing breakfast in the kitchen. So Nitin was disappointed because he did not get an answer from his grandfather either. So this time he decided to go and ask his mother. Since it was Monday morning, his mother was also quite busy with her kitchen work, kitchen chores. So she was busy in preparing breakfast for her family member. So today what was she preparing for her breakfast? For breakfast she was preparing dhokla. Now dhokla is a Gujarati dish made up of chickpea flour, right? A besan, So it's prepared with chickpea flour and there are many ingredients. I am not going much deep into it. So it's a breakfast. So she was preparing breakfast for her family. So her dhokla was not coming out well. Means what? She was not able to prepare it well because there is something wrong going on in the process of cooking. So either it is too much stiff, or sometimes it's too much loose. So the dhokla has to come out perfect every time in order to make a good dhokla. Now she would have to prepare another dish. So her dhokla was not prepared well. So now she had to prepare another dish for breakfast. When he saw Nitin, she chided him, "What are you doing here? Don't you have to go to school?" Now when he saw Nitin, she chided him. Is what? He looked at her, or he said to him in concerned voice, or he said to him in a kind of angry voice, and he said that, "What are you doing here? Don't you have to go to school? You are already late and you are roaming here and there. Don't you have to go to school?" "I am ready, mummy. Please tell me why our Monday." Nitin began, but his mother cut him short. Now Nitin decided to ask his mother. So as soon as he started to say, "Then mother, I am already ready for school." But why everybody? His mother stopped him then and there. "Stop, Nitin. Don't say a word more. Stop then and there." Mother stopped him then and there. "Nitin, this is no time to chat. Here, take this tiffin. Keep it in your bag. My God, this is dhokla." And she got busy with her work. So he said, Nitin, enough of the talk, we will talk later. You take what? You take your tiffin and you put it in your bag and you get ready for school. So she again got busy with her work. So Nitin did not get an answer from his mother again. So now it's time to ask another member of the family. Nitin could sense danger as mummy seemed to be in a very bad mood. He took his tiffin quietly and ran out of the kitchen. Now his mother was very busy because every member of her family has to go to work and has to get breakfast on time, and on the other hand the dokla was not being prepared properly. So she was getting very much anxious and she was getting angry. So Nitin could understand that his mother was not in a good mood. So he took the tiffin and slowly ran out of the kitchen. His last hope was his grandmother. She was in puja room for past 5 minutes. She was trying to light the lamp in front of her deity, but the lamp would not light. Now Nitin's last hope was his grandmother. So usually grandmothers of the family, they are quite interactive with the children. They like to talk to the kids of the family, right? You all love your grandmother and your grandmother also love you back. So if you ask something to your grandmother, so most of the time she give you the answer. But this morning grandmother was struggling with the lamp. So she was in the puja room. So in order to pray, she need to light the lamp. Pray to her deity means God. So in order to pray to her God, she perform her puja ritual. She had to light the lamp, but the lamp was not getting lit because it was old lamp. Deva, I wish someone would bring me a new lamp. This lamp take ages to light. How will I do my puja today? Dadi was mumbling herself with Nitin entered to the puja room. Now grandmother was also struggling with the lamp. She was talking with herself and she was telling, Ish, Deva, this lamp has already got old. Why not somebody bring a new lamp? This lamp take so much time to light, huh? So how can I perform my puja ritual? So when the grandmother was talking to herself, so he was calling out to his grandmother. Nitin was calling out to his grandmother Dadi, and he was about to enter to the puja room. Dadi is Monday. Before he could ask grandmother the question which was haunting him, she looked at him in horror. Nitin, no shoes in the puja room. Go remove your shoes first. So Nitin was not conscious about his shoes. In puja room we should not enter with shoes. But he was very much curious to get the answer. So without thinking much, he entered to the puja room with his shoes and he started to call his grandmother Dadi. And then and there his grandmother stopped. Nitin, stop then and there. Don't you know it is not good manner to enter puja room with your shoes? Go and keep your shoes outside. But Dadi, Nitin went to the puja room and stood there sheepishly trying to attract her attention. Dadi, Monday morning. Now Nitin went outside and he was standing up there like a stupid boy, right? Like an foolish boy. He was looking at his Dadi while Dadi was trying to perform her puja rituals. Nitin was standing outside looking at his Dadi, trying to grab her attention, seek her attention, so that finally he can get a conversation. Finally he can have a conversation with his grandmother and ask why everybody does not like Monday. So Nitin at this point of time was very much confused, because nobody is giving answer to his question, nobody is providing him with an answer, and he cannot ask even the question to anybody, because everybody is busy with their busy in getting ready for their work. And mother was getting ready, busy in preparing the breakfast, while Dadaji was busy with his game, and grandmother was busy with puja. So everybody was busy. To whom Nitin will ask now? Yes, child, today is Monday, you have to go to school. Now be a good boy and go to school. Let me finish my puja. Peace. She dismissed him and got back to light the lamp in foul mode. Now Dadi was angry because the lamp was not lighting up. So when Nitin was about to ask Dadi, why Monday? Yes. Dadi said, yes. Today is Monday morning. Go back to school like a good boy and do not disturb me. And Dadi was in a foul mood. Means what? She was not in a good mood because she was unable to light the lamp. Nitin came out disappointed. No one was telling him why Monday morning were bad, but he was sure now that they were bad because everybody seemed in a bad mood. By now Nitin understood that Monday morning were bad. Although he did not get an answer, but he saw that everybody was in a bad mood. So first of all, he saw his mother was, his sister was in a bad mood because she did not want to go to school. Then he saw his grandfather was busy. Then he saw his mother was in a foul mood because she was, she could not prepare her dhokla and breakfast properly. And then he saw his grandmother was struggling with the lamb. So everybody was not in a good mood. So Monday morning must be something bad in Monday morning. He exactly do not know what is bad, but there is something bad. So he was trying to find out. Nitin, that was his father calling out him. Nitin was petrified of him. Slowly went near his father. Now suddenly Nitin heard somebody calling him. It was his father. Now Nitin's father was a very strict man. He did not like to talk with his father very much because he used to be afraid of him. So as soon as his father called Nitin, Nitin was petrified. Means what? He was scared. He was afraid. Slowly he went. He responded to his father's call, and he went near his father. For an instant, he felt like asking him about Monday morning, but he was scared. As soon as he went near his father, so firstly he thought, why not ask my father why Monday morning are bad? So he thought, let me ask to my father. But at the same time, he was afraid of his father. What is the matter, my boy? All ready to go school? Father asked him, but Papa, today is Monday. It's a bad morning. Shouldn't we all stay at home? Finally, Nitin mustered enough courage to ask him. So when his father asked him, Nitin, today is Monday. So are you not ready to go to school? Then Nitin got some courage. He got some courage and he decided to ask his father, Father, today is Monday morning. Everybody is in bad mood. Shouldn't we all be at home today? Because Monday morning are bad. So he suggested his father that we should all stay in our home, because in Monday morning everybody is in a bad mood. So finally Nitin got some courage to speak with his father. Hearing this, his father laughed out loud. Who told you Monday morning is bad? So hearing Nitin's concern and excuse, his father started to laugh. He asked you, Nitin, who said you that Monday morning are bad? Who said you that? Nitin told me the entire story as how everybody seemed to in bad mood and nobody bothered to listen him. Now Nitin finally could talk to his father. He said, Father, I have tried to talk with everyone. I have tried to have a conversation with everyone, but everybody was busy with something. Nobody was responding to my question. Nobody was even listening to me properly. Everybody was in a bad mood, and that is why I have realized that Monday morning there is something bad. Father smiled and picked up him in his arm. It felt good after being rejected by everyone. So his father laughed, and his father was got a bit carried away with the innocence of his son. He did what? He carried Nitin in his arm, and Nitin felt a bit better because he was rejected by everyone all this time. So he felt a bit better. Father took out, Nitin smiled at his father. Nitin gave a smile to his father. Father took out chocolate from jar and gave it to Nitin. So his father, in order to console him or in order to make him a bit comfortable, he took a chocolate from his jar and gave it to Nitin. Nitin was so happy at this unexpected treat that he could kiss his father, but he knew that boys should not display their emotion, so he thanked his father in mostly manly manner. So Nitin was very happy. First of all, his father was showering his love upon him. He took him in his heart and gave him a chocolate. So Nitin felt a bit good. So he decided to give a kiss to his father, but then he realized, no, I should not show my emotion because boys do not show emotion. So he did what? He thanked his father, like a man. Thank you, father. He did not show much emotion. He did not kiss his father, but he simply said, okay, father, thank you very much. Okay. So how is your Monday morning now? Asked father teasing morning. Now father asked Nitin, you said Monday morning are not good. Nobody is responding to you. You felt that Monday morning are not good. Now you say, how is your Monday morning? Now after being loved by his father and receiving an unexpected treat from his father, he said, yeah, Monday morning are actually not that bad. Very sweet, the chocolate melted in his mouth, and he was eating the chocolate back then, and he said, Monday morning are actually not that bad, it's sweet. And he was eating chocolate at the same time. But Papa, why are Monday mornings bad? Nitin suddenly remembered his question. They aren't bad. It's just after resting at home for 2 days, it takes an effort to rejoin the routine work, father told him. Now Nitin finally asked his father, but father, why Monday morning are bad? Now father said, actually Monday morning are not bad. It's, after having 2 days of work. So in some companies, after the companies, they issue 2 days of leave. After Saturday, Sunday, after Friday, Saturday and Sunday, they have leave. These are called weekend leave. So after 2 days of leave, on Monday when they again resume their daily work, so they feel, very much, they do not feel that much energetic or good. So that is why people do not like to join their work again after 2 days of break. So imagine you are in your home for last 6 months. So when your school will reopen, you will feel a bit difficult to adjust with school and daily routine again, right? So similarly, after 2 days of break, so people find it difficult to adjust with the routine. After Sunday, when it's back to, after Sunday when you have a whole day of enjoyment, when you return school on Monday, don't you find it difficult to start school again? Similarly, everybody find it difficult. So there is a word for that. This word is known as Monday blues. Monday blues. Monday blues means what? The disappointment or the difficulty to get back to your work or your school again after a day off, or after having a holiday. When you return back again on Monday to work, so you feel bored. So this emotion or this feeling is called Monday blues. There was the school bus honking outside. Father put Nitin down. Nitin picked up his school bag and got into the bus along with Pinky. Nitin could not understand what his father had just told him, but he could still feel the sweetness of chocolate in his mouth. Now father have said a lot of things. Suddenly father was discussing everything. He was explaining everything to Nitin. Suddenly the school bus came to in front of their house and honked. Means what? Was blowing the horn outside their house. So Nitin father put him down and said, it's time to go to school. So pack your bag, you along with your sister Pinky, you go to school. So his father was telling everything to Nitin, but Nitin has understood nothing. Although he haven't understood nothing, but he was enjoying the chocolate, which he felt good. So he along with his sister went to the bus while he was enjoying his sweetness of his chocolate. But he did not understand anything. Still his question was although answered, but he did not understood why Monday mornings are bad. Simply he just was enjoying the chocolate and he went to school. I think when Nitin will grow up, he will understand why Monday morning are not that great. So with this, the chapter has came to an end. You read this chapter in your home. If you find any difficulties, do not hesitate to call us, and do subscribe to Al Hiran School channel for more update. Thank you. Have a good day.